Hi, today we are going to learn halting problem, and halting problem is undecidable. So it is not exactly a problem, it asks a question: is it possible to tell whether a given machine will halt for a given input? It means it asks, is there any machine which can decide on a particular program, on a particular input, it will halt or it will not halt. It can give answer in yes or no regarding halt. So its answer is no. There is not any machine which can determine that a particular program will halt or not halt. It is said by Turing, Alan Turing. So let's prove it. So there is one question I ask you for understanding this problem. Have you ever asked your computer before running your program that this program will halt or not halt? I mean, there is a Turbo C compiler. For example, you have Turbo C++ compiler and you have written some program xyz.cpp. So before run this program, have you ever asked your computer that this program will halt or not halt? I think you have never asked it. So nowadays it is irrelevant regarding halting problem, because you do not ask your machine that it will halt on a particular program or not. So the proof of halting problem is, we can prove it. Let's assume there is a machine that can decide, yes, this machine can halt. There is a will halt. I have named the machine will halt, that can decide a particular machine will halt on a particular input or not. So we assume that this machine will exist. So if this machine exists, it means you are saying that this machine can give you answer that on this input it will halt or not halt. Particular program. So if you say that this machine can give this type of answer, that on this input this program will halt or not halt, you have created one Turing machine. But if in this Turing machine I have written a program in this way that there is a loop, I have taken a halt loop through which you decide that this is halt or not halt on a particular string W. If this machine will halt, which accept machine M and W, then if it halts, and I have put one while loop here, which true, while loop which is always true. So and else part, if it is true, then it goes to into infinite loop, else return false. It's mean if this machine says that particular program on input W will halt, I have put it some infinite loop here, infinite loop. If it says no, it's mean I have put it once return, which gives us some answer false. So the complete machine, if you say that on particular string W, it is able to decide whether it will halt or not halt, but after deciding yes, it is halt, and I have put one infinite loop, it means it doesn't halt. And if you say no, it's not halt, but I have returned one false statement, that it means it's halt at particular position. So it is contradiction. The complete statement is contradiction. It means if you say yes, it means it doesn't halt due to some infinite loop. And if you say no, it does not halt, but it returns some values, so it halts at a particular place. So halting problem is this problem that you can't decide that particular machine will halt on a particular input for a specific program. That we have taken as one example, that nowadays you are taking general computer, Turbo C compiler, you run some program, sometime it goes to infinite loop. So before going to infinite loop, it doesn't ask to machine that first verify me that will I go into infinite loop or not. So such type of, you do not check through the computer. So the halting problem is undecidable. You can't decide a particular program where it will halt or does not halt. So this is the question which we have proved it, that this type of machine does not exist that can decide a program will halt on a particular input or not. Thank you.